Wilmington Healthcare Seminars have been created in partnership with HSJ. They are designed to support NHS suppliers by providing them with the insight and intelligence that they need. The beauty of the seminars is that the attendees leave in just one day with all the information they need to be able to do their jobs better. They get to hear from experts from Wilmington Healthcare who are incredibly knowledgeable in their area. Not only that, but we have some really senior, high-level NHS attendees who are able to offer real-world insights on what's happening in their world.
If you're working with the NHS, a lot is happening, there's a lot of change that's going on. Our events work really well because you can ask whatever questions you want to ask. We learn in those events as well. So it's a much more reactive and immediate way of picking up information than maybe doing an online course. The nuances of what's happening, you can get that a lot better in an event where you can meet people face to face and ask them what's happening, and importantly, hear from people in the NHS as well.
I feel that industry sometimes misinterpret the NHS, and also the NHS misinterprets industry. And I think it's a good opportunity to bring those two together so that they can understand what each of them need from each other. Bringing us together in a small interactive group has the added benefit of allowing people to ask questions that they wouldn't necessarily ask in a big group. It allows them to network more easily.
There are a multitude of challenges, I think. There's always going to be that slight distrust of the private sector within a lot of the NHS, so it's how they can approach the NHS and what they can provide in a non-threatening way.
You get a good grasp of the hot topics of the day. You pick up on new language, new themes, and they will also pick up tips on engaging with the NHS and ideas of value to put into their value proposition and hints and tips for engagement. So there's quite a lot there.
The NHS is constantly changing and constantly evolving, and so it is always necessary for suppliers to get the most up-to-date information possible. That's something that these seminars provide.